So this is the monthly. We are still with a big rejection from the top. We need to find support on these areas, but let's see if we manage to do a new push higher. I think we come down. So we close. This is the big resistance now here on these two candles close. And this one is having the follow through. So we are red. We need to close the week above 8,950 more or less, or above at least the previous close of the last candle. For now we are still doing red candles. Let's see this week on the daily. We hold, or at least seems like it's a bit, it's hard to tell. I think we are above the 20, not on the 21. We are trying to hold. The stop loss is here, so it's very easy. This is a buy area. Stop loss is below, because if we come below, all these areas are to buy. From here, here, as I have been saying, this is the big, one of the big buy areas. It's here, on this area, 7.8. And then the other one will be around here, on the 7.2. And of course the last resort is the 7.9. This is the last, but we should bounce from here, or at least from this area here, from the 7.2 more or less to this area of the 7.4. And of course we have the moving averages. Okay, so on the daily we are pointing down on the stochastic, RSI slightly up. This is the big resistance. We need to close the day above 8,750 to have continuation up. If we keep closing below here today, we are going down, or at least ranging. So this is the support, and where we are. To try to go higher, let's see if we manage from here. The market is trying to decide, so we already added a new week to the 200 exponential and back up and close. But then we have this rejection here, which is tricky. And now I think we are just rejecting to come lower, but this was a big buy. Let's see if this holds, otherwise we come below. So resistance here, here, and now we got this rejection with this candle. So let's see if we manage to go higher. I'll put 1 hour. So 1 hour we are trying to grind higher with this candle, and now this one closed above the previous one, and we are making higher highs on the wicks. So let's see if this one we manage to go up from or if this is just a fake down, and if we start closing below here 8,571 more or less. If we start closing below here, I think we will get to the range or to the support again. Big resistance as well, but we are grinding higher. So we have been from here, we made this one. This one came to touch this trend line from the past. That comes from here. This trend line here. This is where we got this big buy. So big buys on this area here. Let's see if we manage to grind up at least to the resistance, to upper resistance to here, at least 9.5, 9.4, even here or here. Let's see if we manage to go up from here. So this is where we are. We need to close some candles above support, which is resistance now, above the 21. On the 8.6, we need to go start closing here to try to push higher. If not, we are still ranging, and then we can come down. And basically we are ranging from this area here to this area, or now to this area as well. So this is a big area. Shorts are from here, longs are from here. This is the point of control that we don't know where it goes. But for now, looks like it's grinding up. Let's see. So this is resistance, this is resistance. And yeah, we had this big buy, so, and with a hammer. And it's easy to make the stop loss. Stop loss can be here. If we come down, we just get out of trade, or can be here, or doing one entry here, one entry here, one entry here, stop loss here. Various ways to trade this. Or if someone wants to short, it's from here, from here, from here, from the point of control, which is here. Or of course, other areas above. It's about waiting and to see where it goes and react. So for now, big buy candles from this area, and we are always closing above here, the 8.64 more or less. We have this horizontal line as we see here, except this one, all the others closed above, and we are trying to push higher. Let's see. I think we are just ranging. And yeah, but anyway, it's all buy areas here, take profits areas above. We are in the point of control at the moment, above support. And here it looks like we are going up on the RSI, and stochastic also pointing up. So I think we will come up. It's getting green. Let's see. Very easy risk management with a stop loss below. If we see candles closing below this trend line, or below here, below 8.5, this area, we might come down one more time. For now, ranging higher. Let's see. This was a big buy with a hammer. And then on the 50 minutes, we have a hammer here, another hammer here, and we are grinding up, trying to hold above the 21. Let's see, making higher lows with the algorithms. So very easy for the risk management. And that's it. This is where we are. On the daily, once again, this is the big buy area. Last one, and one here as well. Here, around 7.850 or 7.9. Let's see if we go up a little bit and then down, or if we manage to close. It's about checking every day where the candles are closing, and if we are above support on the areas. Looking to the past, we are above.